In this video, we look at the client web UI and how you can download your profile and connect to CloudConnexa using the address of your CloudConnexa WPC. If you are managing CloudConnexa for your organization yourself, you already have the address. Just type it in your browser and you'll land on the screen you see here. If your system admin created your user account, they probably send you username, password, and the URL or the address of your CloudConnexa. Keep in mind, if your organization uses single sign-on, the admin may have sent you just the address and you'll use your existing credentials to log in. Either way, type the address into your browser and you get to the login page as you see here on the screen. In this example, in our demo, our system admin created the account for us, send the username, temporary password, and the URL or the address. I entered the address in on my browser and I landed on this page, which we're going to type the username and the temporary password provided to us. So let's go ahead, type the username is Ava, and then the password. Here we go. Once we're done, we're going to click on sign in. Since this is the first time Ava is logging in, the account was just created, she needs to choose a password for herself. So we're going to choose a password for Ava here, and then we're going to click on save. Once logged in, the first page you'll see here is Get Connected. This page walks you through installing the Connect app and connecting for the first time. If you ever need to change your password, click on your name in the bottom left corner, choose My Account, and then on this screen, type your current password, then choose a new password, confirm the new password, and then click on Update to save the changes. Back on the Get Connected page, the first step is download the Connect app. Select a package for your operating system and follow the installation steps. Pretty simple. In my case, the Connect app is already installed, as you see here. Next is going to be a step 2. Step 2 is importing your profile. Basically, all you have to do is just copy your WPC address. I'm going to click on this copy icon, and then I'll bring up my Connect app and paste that address here. Then click on Next. You'll be prompted to complete authentication in a web browser. So click on sign in. Now the step 3 is entering your credentials. Obviously we are already signed in, so it didn't ask us for credentials anymore. But the very first time when a user tries to import their profile, they need to choose a region closest to them. Ava is in Chicago area, so she's gonna choose Chicago and then click on continue. Now we need to confirm the import of our profile. As you can see here, we're going to click on confirm and the profile is imported. That's basically it. From now on, anytime Ava wants to connect, she just needs to toggle the switch. For more information, visit openvpn.net and check out our knowledge base and tutorials under the resources section.